Hey, Phil from Got Memories here. Okay, so this customer redoing from Legacy Box. The tapes were bad. You can see here the digital copies that Legacy, or no, South Tree has made is just atrocious. Yes, DVD was atrocious. I do have follow-up videos on the previous videos on that. Sometimes when these cameras went bad, VHSC was terrible. So you've got to, you've got this static. This is what I'm getting off. This is like the best picture on of all the VCRs in here. So there is a little trick you can do when this is the case, and this sometimes works. I don't know. I haven't tested this yet. Okay, so you take the lid off VCR, and you can adjust the guide path, like right here. Hold on, I've got a tiny thing here, so you can see. Look, there we go. I just turned it, just a tiny bit, and that's static. See if I turn it, there we go, clockwise. It's in the middle, and I find a balance there. And I'm compared to what I'm counteracting. What this is their camera, their heads were misaligned, or there was a problem with the camera. So I have to match that deficiency or that misalignment in the camera with the VCR here. So that's why you see all these companies out there, all this crap. They're absolute junk. All of it. Important memories inside. All of it. Every single tape is important to someone. I mean, look at this. It's like the child, and you can't even watch it. What's the point? And they're telling you your tape has gone bad when they're just not figuring it out. So that's what I do here at Got Memories is I, cleaning the heads. I gave the head a clean beforehand. And these are people's lives, So this is the only copy you got. And this lady has been to here's her letter. She's been to 3 different companies. Let's have a look. I used 3 different companies from some tapes. Kodak, Digitizing Services, which is Legacy Box, and South Tree. This is a South Tree box here. Yes, DVD is Costco, and South Tree, local business called Real to Real, located in New York. I labeled the files with the companies I used. So,
I'm taking a picture of your chest.
It's wobbly, I get it, but this was a problem with the VCR. So you can see right here, I've got to adjust the guide path as it goes. So I'm having to watch all of her tapes. Look at that. That's nice. So I've got to adjust all the guide paths on all of their tapes. So look, these are coming through nice and clear now. This one's done. You can barely hear the audio on this one. I'm going to have my hand in the way now. All these, and I got other videos on this same situation, but look at that there. The audio was all fuzzy. You couldn't even hear it. It was terrible. Hold on, there we go. And they've left, all these other companies leave the black. Oh God, it's just an absolute mess. Absolute mess. Here's another one. I've got an iMemories job with mold. They turn that stuff away. I've got a Legacy Box job here. Some of these customers order the boxes through, online and, whatever. And then they see my videos and they're like, ew. And then I'm just like, hey, just send your stuff off and I'll take care of it and use that box. It's perfectly fine. Where was I? Oh yeah, Got Memories. And this is what my channel is all about: consumer awareness. I could give a crap whether you give me your stuff or not. Yes, I'm in business. Yes, I don't do this for free. I am expensive because I take care of this right the first time. So you get what you pay for. You buy cheap. You buy 3 times, 4 times in this lady's scenario. I'm the 4th company, and she found me on YouTube. And I'm fixing the problems, which these companies should do, but because they're charging $9 a tape, they've got minimum wage employees. They do not give a shit about your stuff. As much as they all go, fragile, handle with care. No, don't give a crap. Hiring, firing, No customer service, no follow-up, just drama. If you want it done right, you go to small businesses with outstanding Google reviews, hundreds of reviews. It's way more than that now. And a YouTube video with the owner who's doing the work, showing how they overcome all the problems with these tapes, because it is a massive issue now with the aging of these tapes. People aren't storing them in the right places. I mean, look at this. This tape right here, I don't know if you can make it out. Look at it. It's not good. This one here, look. Broken, crappy, yeah. So I'm receiving tapes and they've been neglected for decades and decades. And I'm having to undo that mess. So imagine all these pack rat store, you know, the TV shows. I'm undoing, sometimes I open up boxes and I'm like, what in the hell? And then other times it's really nice and neat and tidy, which is great. But your stuff might be neat and tidy. Oh, there'll be no problems whatsoever. No, but the gross stuff just ran on all the contaminated players. And now your stuff looks like crap and they're blaming your tape when their heads are worn, knackered, filthy, they're not cleaning them, and they are incentivized to just keep moving, keep going, keep going. So if you want this done right, yes, you have to pay to get it done right. But think back, what did you spend on all the vacations, the Christmases, the camcorders? Oh my God. And then I'm like, yeah, it'd be about $1,200 to, you know, digitize your entire life. And anyway, you get what I'm saying. For the select few people that get it, that understand with your job, your industry, whatever you're in, you know, if you're doing quality work and you're in an insurance company, insurance broker, you're a car mechanic, whatever, you know there's shady companies and then you know there's quality. Well, I'm the quality, okay, in my industry. So if you're looking for a quote, gotmemories.com. Do not fill the quote form out if you are looking for bargain basement and for me to be competing with all this trash, okay? I am expensive for good reason. So when it comes to your doctor, your daycare, your doggy daycare, certain things you don't cheap out on. This is one of them. This is one of these services that you don't mess about. So keep me posted if you'd like a quote, gotmemories.com. If you're looking to do this yourself, all the best to you. If you are shopping around, this industry is atrocious. So buyer beware. Go to Google reviews. If you must give it to someone else, make sure they've got all this stuff all dialed in, which they probably don't. Anyway, all right, cheers.